The Škoda Kushaq 2025 new model arrives with subtle yet meaningful updates that further solidify its position as one of the most driver-focused and premium compact SUVs in the Indian market. With its strong German engineering roots adapted for Indian roads through the MQB A0 in platform, the updated Kushaq maintains its muscular and upright SUV stance but now features refined visual enhancements like a bolder butterfly grille with deeper chrome accents, a revised front bumper with a more aggressive air dam, and a new set of LED matrix headlights with dynamic turn indicators that enhance both style and safety. The profile retains its clean, proportionate lines, but now rides on fresh 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels with a new design pattern that adds a sporty flair. At the rear, the LED taillights sport a revised light signature, the bumper gets a dual-tone treatment with chrome touches, and the tailgate branding has been slightly repositioned for a more upscale look. Inside the cabin, Škoda has elevated the premium feel with a new dual-tone interior theme, soft-touch materials on the dash and door panels, revised seat upholstery with perforated leatherette options, and improved fit and finish all around. The centerpiece is the updated 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system which now supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with Škoda's latest Mkoda Connect app that brings in a suite of connected car features such as remote lock-unlock, live tracking, geofencing, and driving behavior analysis. The digital instrument cluster, virtual cockpit, offers enhanced clarity and customizable display modes, while features like ventilated front seats, a cooled wireless charging pad, rear AC vents, ambient lighting, and a sunroof add layers of comfort and sophistication. Škoda hasn't compromised on space either. The Kushaq continues to offer generous headroom, legroom, and excellent seat comfort both in the front and rear, supported by clever storage spaces and a well-shaped 385-liter boot. Under the hood, the 2025 model continues to offer the trusted TSI engine lineup, the 1.0-liter turbo petrol delivering 115 PS and 178 Nm and the 1.5-liter turbo petrol producing a robust 150 PS and 250 Nm, both mated to either a slick 6-speed manual, a smooth 6-speed torque converter for the 1.0, or a lightning-fast 7-speed DSG transmission for the 1.5. The performance is peppy and confident, with a larger engine offering class-leading punch while remaining surprisingly efficient thanks to cylinder deactivation technology. Ride and handling remain a strong suit for the Kushaq, with a well-tuned suspension setup that soaks up rough roads while offering exceptional high-speed stability and tight cornering confidence. Safety has been further reinforced. The car already holds a 5-star NACAP safety rating, and the 2025 update now includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, escape, multi-collision braking, TPMS, hill hold control, ISOFIX, and features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and emergency braking on top trims, thanks to the introduction of Level 1 ADAS features. Overall, the Škoda Kushaq 2025 is a thoughtfully upgraded model that retains its fun-to-drive DNA while adding premium aesthetics, intelligent features, improved comfort, and advanced safety tech, making it a compelling choice for buyers who want a stylish, safe, and European-quality SUV that's made for Indian conditions, and a worthy contender against rivals like Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, VW Tiguan, and Honda Elevate.